Hey y'all, what it do? It's your boy Yada the Slab Rider. If y'all look for a new truck, old truck, low payments, low down payments, ain't no other way but go to Long Mountain. Check them out. Go on their website. Check out their inventory. They got low prices, low down payment, whatever you need. Monthly payments. Some of these dealerships got weekly payments. So you saving your money, baby, no matter what. So go over Long Mountain, check out the inventory, and use code YADA. If you go over there and check them out, or you purchase a truck, and get hold to Myra, and the phone number be right here. Check her out, man. She'll put you in a sweet truck like I got, so you can get to hauling something like this. Yeah, last commercial y'all seen, I was in a van. Now look, straight step deck, baby. It's an upgrade. So you can do what I do. Just go over Long Mountain, check them out. It is what it is. She'll get you right. Check them out, man. Promise you'll thank me in the end. Till next time, y'all, I'll let y'all. Yada the Slab Rider, and use that code Yada right there. Get you in the dough. Peace.
In the Jewish community, I won't tell on them bros with immunity. They beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious to me, it's come plural. I'm living by more, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm sturdy. Got 5 million cash, that's in quiz to get murdered. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you did it. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be
I made love to a stripper. First I had to tip her 20,000 once. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that nigga, bitch. I already know it. I come with bad weather. They say I'm a storm. 50 S's in my charm. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was sending bricks to Harlem back when Jay was still with Dame. I'm in for leave child, but I got up to take home. Got a stripper with me. She picked up to check home. She gon' fuck it up. She don't need makeup. She gon' rig it up. Tell the nigga pay up. She said pay for the pussy. Hey, wait for the pussy. Ask God to forgive me. Cause I pray for the pussy. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, bag it up, rake it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up.
High volume.
Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn your click up, dog.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. cross them up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low on his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I take her half shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sending this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I never been flushed. Bulletproof rappers, it came with a kid on it. The shit too light, it kick it, we spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. He want the scoop, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up.
Big dog, status Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Sold your bag, told the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as Lori about the paddock, and going as Jordan as dead. Elite water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cooking a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like a dump. Shit, like her first gon' sit nigga trimp. Shit, I'm floating, I'm hiding the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making my ex nigga mad. Shit, they gon' for that number just mad. Real nigga alert, I'm wearing a bag. Piping a bitch, it ain't there like I can. Turn up the shooters and switches go bad. They was some scammers, but no one's a bad. Shaping the rap and my dog ain't fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on the bitch and I told her to call off. Action, I'm making a quit. Painkillers, got my Latinas on gold, they ready to hit the stick. Painkillers, got my little bitch on gold, she ready to eat up the dick. Main hitters, call up the gang members, they was already on the lick. Hanging with me goes all these drugs and guns, think we missing it.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on them bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come.
Hey y'all, good morning. This the next day. I'm about to show y'all where I'm at. Here's the trailers right here. Still strapped down. I don't know if y'all was able to see it yesterday because my GoPro got too hot. This thing is shut off as soon as it get hot. But this where I'm at. Tractor Supply. All these trailers is going to Tractor Supply. I got 5 stops on this load right here. This is one of them. Get all this stuff knocked out today so I can hopefully make it home today. I might not make it all the way home, but at least I'll make it almost there. So let's get to it, y'all. Get some of these straps knocked off and get it done before they even get here, so they can just come and get their trailers as soon as they get here, and I can just restrap and go on by my way. But the top levels, I think from right here on to the back, the top levels is going to them. So it's like 5 trailers going to them, and then I gotta restrap it and go to my next stop. So I'm finna jump to it, y'all. So Y'all watch me do this work.
My car get delivered with no mouth. They think they do what we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do what we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. I put on drip every day from the floor up.
When we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe tag somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, then roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasures, the twin, you my twin. You my treasures, the twin, you my twin. And I need a
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Trace, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch or both. They look braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Follow behind the years. Anyway, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner.
Alright, y'all. We got the top layer, well, some of the top layer knocked off. So it's looking a little smaller now. Next door, we got a little bit more coming off of here. So it'll look a little bit slimmer. Get all this stuff took care of. We'll be on our way, man. Shit, I'm trying, like I said, I'm in a race today. I'm in a race of time. Trying to get all these stops knocked out today. We're gonna see if I'm gonna be able to do it, y'all. We're gonna see. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to knock 5 stops off today. Looking good so far. Hope nothing don't distract me. So, get y'all on this road, y'all. Y'all buckle up. Stay buckled up.
get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more flags. Young Scott, Skull, Smoothie, and a present. Time is 50, trying to reach your mellow. But the game to his temple.
Alright, y'all, I'm at my second stop. Got to get this work in, get out. Like, I think 4 of them is coming off. So, let's get to work, man. I'm gonna set y'all up. Let y'all look at some of this work.
You know what she told me?
Are you gonna
She told check it out, this is what she said. She said,
say that you're gonna be?
she said she wants some more.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through that, take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone. Out of that ooh, she gone. Out of that overly, yeah, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two I'ma go 2 pair. Hide your whole 2 player. Got body like she went on a drill. Little ratchet shit go trim. Content, get it on film. Full course meal, she ate up the drip. She wanna go through there, yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the pill. Gas up, shot up through there. The cool like a rocket for real. I told her charge me up. My phone died, she going to kill, yeah.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through
that wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girls that wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Even that motherfucker small, still throw that shit.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me.
All right, y'all, that's the last of that store right there. She take me in. Store 2. Gonna put these straps on here real quick and get on to my third store. Pretty much making good time right now. So, get y'all and get back on this road.
That wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Oh shit.
All right, y'all, I'm at my third stop. As you can see, they got these trays lined up. Tractor Supply. I got them two right there is gonna come off on the very top. And then these two on the back end. So, got 4 total going out. So, let me get to it, y'all. I'm gonna get this load off.
I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all.
Alright, y'all, I gotta undo this strap right here. And that'll be it. All I gotta do is wait on them to come out here and take these two off, and I'm gonna work on the back. That's done right here. I said right here, right there. Work on these two back here. And I guess hurry up and wait. got that done. So just gotta wait on them to come get it, and we'll be done with this one. But I see the forklift guy over there right now, so finna get this work in, y'all.
I know they hating on me, but I don't need coming. When I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's broke, we ain't running. Just hard on stage, go to a phone at a time. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Just hard on stage, go to a phone at a time. Off this way, doing all these shows.
Alright, y'all, done with that one. There's the forklift driver right there. Look, all I got on here is little small stuff right here. Got 2 more stops, and I'll be done. 2 more stops. Seems like I'm gonna get done today, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm at the 4th store. Here she come back to unload me. Let's get to it.
Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Peekaboo, I just put them bookers in my chain. Peekaboo, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Peekaboo, 7.62s will make a plane. Peekaboo, popping out, you better smell my name. Peekaboo, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Peekaboo, catchy pepper here from doing pasta.
Alright, y'all, almost done. Almost a wrap. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Probably put it back here. Man, there's one thing I don't like about this is these blocks right here. Shit trash. But yeah, I only got 3 more to go, and I'm done. Seems like I'm gonna make it, y'all. So let me get on to this next stop, get these 3 over here, and that's a wrap.
Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, with all that fake shit. Hey, ain't the one to play with. Hey, call off in a lamb, double pocket all that tams. Mister, get off on your mans. If he hate you disrespect, you better follow up with hands. Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up, I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, damn. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on, you wouldn't understand. Big dog.
Hey, y'all, finna knock these straps out. Got 4 straps to do. Get these out the way. Man. Get my butt to the house. easy work. He on his way right now to get the trailers. So let's get this shit over with.
So I call her big booty. Wrist moving, cooking, get to it. I'm in the kitchen, yams everywhere. Just made a jewel, I got bands everywhere. You the realest nigga breathing if I hold my breath. Referee with a whistle, hold it tight. Extendo clip, extendo roll. When your girl leave me, she need a house alone. Hand weed killer going on the jump-a-thon. See, I done had more bombs than Pakistan. Dope bomb, dope bomb, and a pill bomb. See, nigga, I'm ballin' you in wheel car. When I die, bury me inside the jury style. When I die, bury me inside the truest style. True to my religion, to everything, I'm too different. So when I die, bury me next to two bitches. They ask me what I do.
And there we go with the last load, man. It's over with. Trailer clean. Hey y'all, what it do? I'm done with that load. I just made it back to the house. As you see, the store I always pull my truck at. Yeah, man. Hey, I know it's dark. Y'all can hardly see me. Here's the truck. Probably can hardly see that shit. But it's the end of this video, y'all. I made it home. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, man. So y'all can get all this content when I post on time. So, it's your boy Yada Slab Rider. I'm out till next time, y'all. Man. There you go. Peace.
Do better. She said, how about I get you jewelry from the West End? How about she hit the West End and get a best friend? I'm joking, I'm just serious. I asked her, don't be acting like no actress. If we preach it, then we practice. Don't be reaching.